international development organizations, and Nepal. Nepal,
Abbas.
a landlocked country nestled in the Himalayas between India and China, is characterized by its rich cultural heritage and diverse geography, ranging from fertile plains to towering mountain peaks. Despite its natural beauty and strategic location, Nepal faces significant development challenges, including poverty, political instability, infrastructure deficits, and vulnerability to natural disasters. International development organizations have played a pivotal role in supporting Nepal's efforts to overcome these challenges and achieve sustainable development. This essay examines the involvement of various international development organizations in Nepal, their contributions to the country's development, and the ongoing challenges and opportunities that shape their engagement. 1. The role of multilateral development organizations. World Bank Group. The World Bank Group has been a long-standing partner in Nepal's development journey. Its assistance focuses on reducing poverty and boosting shared prosperity through infrastructure development. Investments in transportation, energy, and urban development aim to improve connectivity and access to services. Notable projects include the Nepal-India Electricity Transmission and Trade Project, enhancing energy trade between the two countries, education and health programs to improve educational outcomes and healthcare access, particularly in rural areas, support human capital development, agriculture and rural development initiatives like the Nepal Rural Water Supply and Sanitation Project enhance living standards in rural communities. Asian Development Bank (ADB). The ADB collaborates with Nepal to promote economic growth and reduce poverty. Key areas of focus include energy sector. ADB supports hydropower development, helping Nepal harness its vast water resources for electricity generation and export. Transport connectivity projects like the South Asia Subregional Economic Cooperation SASEC Road Connectivity Program improve regional trade links. Urban development investments in water supply, sanitation, and urban infrastructure enhance livability in Nepal's growing cities. International Monetary Fund (IMF). The IMF provides policy advice and financial assistance to support macroeconomic stability in Nepal. Its engagement includes economic surveillance, regular assessments under Article IV, consultations, offer recommendations on fiscal policy, monetary policy and structural reforms, capacity building, technical assistance and training. Strengthen Nepal's financial institutions and economic governance. United Nations agencies. United Nations Development Programme (UNDP). The UNDP plays a significant role in advancing sustainable development in Nepal, focusing on governance and peace-building efforts to strengthen democratic institutions, rule of law, and post-conflict recovery following the decade-long civil conflict that ended in 2006. Poverty reduction programs targeting livelihood enhancement, particularly for marginalized communities, climate change and disaster risk reduction, initiatives to build resilience against natural disasters, such as earthquakes and floods, are crucial given Nepal's vulnerability. United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF works to improve the lives of children and women in Nepal through health and nutrition programs addressing malnutrition, immunization, and maternal health, education efforts to increase school enrollment and reduce dropout rates, especially among girls and disadvantaged groups, child protection initiatives to combat child labor, trafficking, and exploitation. World Health Organization WHO supports Nepal in strengthening its healthcare system by disease prevention and control, assisting in managing communicable diseases like tuberculosis and hepatitis. Health systems strengthening, improving healthcare delivery, policy, formulation, and emergency preparedness. 2. Bilateral aid agencies. United States Agency for International Development USAID. USAID's partnership with Nepal spans several decades, focusing on democracy and governance, supporting free and fair elections, civil society, and effective governance, health and education, enhancing quality and access, with programs targeting maternal and child health, literacy, and numeracy, economic growth initiatives to promote agricultural productivity, trade, and private sector development, Department for International Development DFID, United Kingdom, DFID, now part of the Foreign, Commonwealth, and Development Office contributes to Nepal's development through inclusive growth, supporting economic policies that benefit the poor and marginalized, health and education investments to improve service delivery and access, disaster resilience, enhancing Nepal's capacity to respond to and recover from natural disasters, Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA. JICA focuses on economic and social development, emphasizing infrastructure supporting projects in transportation, energy and water supply, education and health, providing technical assistance and capacity building, cultural preservation, assisting in the restoration of cultural heritage sites, particularly after the 2015 earthquake. 3. Non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and civil society, international NGOs, organizations like Oxfam, CARE, and Save the Children operate in Nepal, addressing issues such as poverty alleviation, implementing community-based programs to improve livelihoods, gender equality, promoting women's rights and empowerment through education and economic opportunities, disaster relief, providing immediate assistance and long-term recovery support following natural disasters. Local NGOs and civil society. Local organizations play a crucial role in grassroots development, often partnering with international NGOs and donors to advocate for human rights, focusing on issues like caste discrimination and minority rights, environmental conservation, engaging in sustainable management of natural resources, and biodiversity protection.